don't have a chance if we live like them. So why don't you come with me to a place by the sea? We can swim.
After arriving safely in Italy, we rent some push bikes for a couple of euros and head out to check out the town. Carl's back is still playing up, so he stays back and keeps Evie company while we explore.
Just riding the death trap bicycle. The front brakes grab, throw you over the handlebars. The back brakes don't work. Seat's too low. Apart from that, it's a pretty good rig.
The cobblestone streets get pretty steep, so we're pushing our bikes more than riding them half the time. But it's worth it for what we find at the top.
We found more tunnels. We've lost Shannon and Juliet, but we can hear them. There's more tunnels.
Tunnels have a habit of finding us, but these are the first ones we've seen on top of a hill.
Tunnels. They're so big on their tunnels.
They love the tunnels, don't they? I love the tunnels.
Did you feel very secure in a tunnel?
What goes up must come down.
So we've got some death trap bikes. Don't really have any brakes. Juliet's doing alright. Oh, now she's just showing off. And then we've got Taryn and G somewhere back there. Just edging their way down below the old castle. Here they come. Easy does it.
I'm going face plant. Ooh, bumpy. Bikes are a great way to see a new place when you've only got limited time, even when they don't have brakes. And I'm not confident on a bike at the best of times. There's a few slips and slides. But we can see places we wouldn't otherwise get to, and see other modes of transport and friendly Italians.
So we're gonna check this guy out.
I love Italy! Bikes also make provisioning much easier.
Biking down the road after a successful visit to Conad, the grocery store. Hopefully the girls are back there. It's pretty crazy how they drive in Italy. I'm kind of worried someone's going to try to pass and end up right before it's How we doing back there, girls? But the ocean's right over there.
As soon as we're back on Evie, we're planning to leave again.
We're contemplating these very dark-looking clouds, which we're heading out in approximately 8 hours or so. We'll be fine. Seems like a good idea still. We'll be fine.
Being October, we're getting towards the very end of the season, and the weather is getting worse, and the windows to safely get around are shortening. We're pretty wary of these dark clouds, and paired with the forecast, we decide to head off a little bit earlier than planned to avoid strong winds and swell. In Jimmy Cornell's World Cruising Routes, he quotes, "In the Mediterranean, you either get too much wind or none at all, and what you get is on the nose." We found that basically sums up our time so far. Today, there's no wind, but forecasted too much wind tomorrow. So instead of trying to wait for the perfect sailing weather, it looks like motoring for 12 hours to keep us moving along.
Sprung, go to bed.
Gotcha.
I'm out of here.
The thing about motoring is it's boring. It's hard to enjoy being out on the sea when the engine is constantly thrumming and there's not much to do except keep an eye out for other boats.
Just getting some video of the captain hard at work.
It's working hard.
Somebody has to do it, right?
Yeah. Gotta look up every 20 minutes. Make sure the boat's right.
Even though there's no wind, there's still a bit of bumpy swell, which means seasickness can still get us. I can still appreciate a beautiful sunrise, and it's relaxing to not be worrying about if we've got too much sail out or not enough sail out, but the hours really do drag. We're constantly checking the wind, hoping for it to pick up just enough to sail. Some days it feels like we bought a motorboat. It's amazing how interesting a cargo ship passing by half a nautical mile away can become, and how many conversations you can then have about said cargo ship. This is the BBC California. Just when you've got used to the engine sound, we can see Sicily and we're sailing. It's an amazing feeling, and suddenly everything is more comfortable and everyone a bit happier. It lasts a whole of about 35 minutes, and then it turns on our nose, and you can't sail straight into the wind. We're close to Sicily and expecting that bad weather, so there's no time to tack all the way in. And with that, the sails come in and the engine turns on. Our disappointment is short-lived, because then we see...
Come back, dolphins, there.
Dolphins! They are just there! Oh, there's a baby one! Oh my gosh! Hey, buddy! Come play with us!
Oh, there's one right here. Look.
Oh yeah! Oh, there are two of them! They're at the bow! He's rolling around under there!
Right in front. Look. Right there, look.
They're on. Oh my gosh, there's so many of them! There's the mum and the baby! Hey buddies!
What a dolphin!
Talking about big fish. It's a dolphin miracle! Carl can walk again!
I'm holding on to something. I reckon if I ate a whole one, I'll be cured.
Carl Illich!
Oh, I'm still over there. They're still frolicking.
It's a nice way to end our trip, and not long after, we pull into Riposto, Sicily.
And we don't have a chance if we live like that. Feel the fire, it burns way down in your soul like a lion.